stars of tomorrow get their shot in the limelight today as the show's coverage of the Southern League is on the air. Ought to be a good one here between the Birmingham Barons and their old Alabama neighbors, the Biloxi Shuckers. And before we progress any further, let's have a quick look at our two starting lineups for tonight. And let's also get a brief look at our two starting pitchers as you see how they stack up right there. Catfish Brown will take his first cuts now, and as you can see, he enters play with that average up over the 320 mark.
All right, let's go now. Let's go.
First offering on the way. Now a hard hit ball back up the middle, and that's through into center field. Base hit around third and being waved on home. And the opening salvo is fired here as they take a 1-0 lead.
Yeah, and you know, after a tough loss in Game 1 of this series, that's a nice job here to pick up a first-inning RBI. That gets his guys out in front right from the start, maybe turning things around.
Jason Rogers will dig in now. He had a couple of hits in yesterday's contest. Here's the first offering. Now a curveball knocked down at home plate. And a good idea to hang close at first as he'll make it back easily. Runners at the corners here, nobody out. Here's the 1-0. Now a ball slapped hard the opposite way. Catch is made here in right, and here comes the runner from third. And that'll plate their second run of the game as they take a 2-0 lead.
Yeah, I don't know. I wasn't sure they were going to send him on that ball. This was hit awfully hard, but they decided to roll the dice and take a chance to score him, and it's going to wind up paying off.
Hector Gomez will take his first cuts here with the runner still at first and one away now. Now here's the first pitch. And he'll hold off on the slider here to start the at-bat. It's ball one. EK, you take a look at our visitors as they enter play here this evening. They come in winners of 2 straight and looking to get things turned around in what hasn't been all that amazing a stretch for them.
That last win gets them a step closer to the 500 mark. They can actually reach 500 if they can pull this one out.
And a strike to even the count. 1-1.
That's one of those fastballs that just never feels like it's going to be a strike. It's up at the letters, and that's a tough one to do anything with.
The 1-1. Runners off for second. Pitches a cold strike. The throw. And he got him at second on a perfect throw.
And I think they're going to set the tone early that they want to be aggressive on the base paths, but this stolen base attempt just doesn't pan out.
Nicholas Klein is ready to go here as we begin the third. Here's the pitch. And a fastball is hit on the ground towards short. Throw to first in time, and the leadoff man is gone to start the third.
And as we showed you in the open, he's out there putting his perfect record on the line, and so far, These guys haven't shown many signs that they're ready to put a 1 in that loss column.
Mario Chavez will dig in here. He flew out his first time around.
We got one here. Here we go, right now, fellas.
He's ready now. The pitch goes up and gets it as this is bounced to shortstop. Throw gets him, 2 down.
The batter, number 15, designated hitter.
Catfish Brown will stand in. An RBI single in his first appearance.
Shortstop, Catfish Brown.
Now the first pitch. And the slider's in the dirt as he lays off it for a ball.
Hey, like to get him there, huh? Hey, see it deep and drive. What do you say? Get driving. Let's go, kid. All right, Brown.
The 1-0 pitch.
Here, let's go.
Out of play off to the right. It's 1-1. A 2-1 score here as we play inning number 3.
Come on now. Here we go, guys. Here we go now. Let's go.
Ready now on 1-1. And that fastball's too much for him there. 1-2.
Yeah, kind of a late decision to swing there. Even if he hits that thing, that might just be a routine fly to right.
Hey, need a strikeout right here. Sure got
The
it.
1-2. And this is hit well towards the hole. One there. On to first, a double play.
Well, that's the absolute definition of a pitcher's pitch right here, especially in a double play situation. I mean, not only is this pitch down, I don't even think it's in the strike zone, and that's an easy double play.
Leury Garcia will dig in. He popped out his first time.
Hey, what away? Hey, please, see it. Drive it like you can. Let's go.
He's ready. Now the pitch. That's hard hit back up the middle. The second for 1. Relay to first in time, and just like that, this side is retired. 4-6-3. They roll it up to get out of the jam. More in a moment on the show, the Friday Night Showcase. Leury Garcia will stand in for a 3rd time now. His previous efforts left something to be desired as he popped out and bounced into a double play. Full count offering on its way. On the ground is short. And they've come back to tie it up as it's now a 2-2 ball game.
Now batting,
Nicholas Klein will step in now and see what he can do with 2 on and 2 out here in the 6th. Sets the 2-2 pitch. Out in front as he grounds this one to short. And the throw is not going to be in time as he's able to reach base safely.
Just another example there of needing the little things to go your way if you're going to win a ball game. Not a whole lot behind this swing right here, but it's going to wind up as an infield single, and more importantly, it's going to drive home a run to give them the lead.
Now out of the dugout comes the manager as he'll make his way towards the mound. And it looks as though that's going to be all for his starter here tonight. Steve Quezada will trot in from the bullpen as he inherits a tough spot with 2 on and 2 out. Aaron Beck. We'll see what he can do here. 2 on, 2 away, 2 home here in the inning so far. 2 men are on with 2 men out. He's set. Now the pitch. Now a swing and a hard hit ball to short. And that's through into left, a base hit. Around third and being waved on home. And they'll add another run to their lead as the run scores from second to make it 4-2 now.
That's a good approach right there with 2 away. He's just going to shorten up the stroke and take it right back up the middle. That'll be good enough to get the job done and pick up the 2-out RBI.
Catfish Brown will dig in here. 1 for 2. He's singled and grounded out so far. First pitch coming. Low for ball 1. Not too many strikeouts on the ledger for him so far, but it hasn't really mattered.
Yeah, I think ideally you'd like to see him miss a few more bats, but as long as you're keeping guys off balance and you're letting your defense help you, you don't need to strike a ton of guys out to be successful.
And that'll find its way into right field for a 1-out single.
And at this point, I don't think you could expect anything less than a 2-hit ball game from this guy. I mean, he's been as hot as anybody lately, and he comes through again here.
Action in the bullpen now as a right-hander begins to throw out there. Now the first pitch. Jason Rogers is at the plate as he looks at ball 1. The next pitch. Another fastball. This one he gets by him. It's 1-1.
Just overmatched him there.
We're in the 6th inning now of a 4-2 ball game. Now the 1-1 pitch. I got the high fastball there and he popped it straight up. Beck camps under it and he's got it for route number 2.
Well, sometimes when you miss with your location, it actually works to your benefit. I mean, this pitch is further up than I think he wants it, but hey, it works out for him.
Into the box, Hector Gomez, as he'll take a look at the pitch too low. It's ball 1. Two out with the man at first. The 1-0. And oh, look out. Up and in and nearly took his head off.
Yeah, he's not trying to hit him, I don't think, but sometimes you need to keep guys honest up there. I think that's all he was trying to do there.
2-0 count, the pitch. And there's the first strike, 2-1.
Yeah, you know, he probably got the fastball he was looking for, but on 2-0, you can look for one pitch in one spot. And if it's not in that spot, you take it.
Here's the 2-1 pitch. Takes that one a little bit low. 3 balls and a strike now. Wyatt Wilkerson would be next if they can keep this inning alive. The 3-1. Swing and a high chopper. Throw on to second for the force, and the side is retired. So it's no runs on a hit, no errors, and a man left. We're through 6 full. The Barons are out in front here, 4-2. Manny Castro is on the pitch now as he'll take over to start inning number 7. Victor Garcia will step in. Singled and came around to score his last time. 7th inning here at the ballpark. 4-2 our score. He's set. Now the pitch. On the ground towards second. There's one. On to first as they get the double play to get him out of the inning. 1 hit in the inning, but that gets erased. We'll move on now to the bottom half of the 7th. Get up and stretch. Birmingham leads this thing 4-2. Catfish Brown will stand in now with 2 away, needing to really get something started here.
And their chances of getting back into this ball game are growing dimmer by the batter.
Now here's the first pitch. A little tardy there. No balls and a strike.
Yeah, and it seems like he kind of got away from that pitch here in the last few innings. You got to think about bringing that one right back.
Pitch on the way. And this is going to be a foul ball. Bases are empty here with 2 men out. Now the pitch. Swing and a hard hit ball to second. And 8 innings have come and gone now as the inning is over. Nothing across here this half of the inning. We've played 8 full. The Barons are out in front here, 6-2. Well, you always hope to get a good outing from your starting pitcher, but this man went above and beyond in this one. He's our top player of the game.
Yeah, he wound up turning things over to his bullpen in the 9th, but still, 8 strong innings for him. He was hitting his spots all game long.
So that'll put a wrap on things here. First offering on the way. And he just gets a piece there as this is chopped foul. Runners on first with 1 down.